Hey guys, Lockie here from 782 Motors on the Gold Coast. I want to show you another car in our next stock drop today. This is a 1957 Volkswagen Kombi. These buses are super popular and this is a pretty rad example. It's a factory Australian delivered right-hand drive bus. It's got pop-out safari, split windscreen in the front. It's got its original patina that's been really nicely maintained. Still wearing most of its Boronia Brown original paintwork. Never been a rusty bus, really solid example. The bus is airbagged using AccuAir air suspension. It's sitting low on a set of Porsche wheels. It's got Willwood disc brakes. Under the back, it's got a 2332cc CB Performance engine. It's also got a Rancho Pro Street Freeway Flyer trans. Inside's all nicely redone in real leather. It's just one badass bus. Head over to the website for all the deets, www.782motors.com.au.